So hey, in this video I'm going to answer a quick question about can you write on the main screen with the stylus? And the quick answer is no. You cannot use the S Pen to write on the screen because it's not responsive. But that doesn't mean that you can't use a stylus to write on the main screen. Let's check it out. Can you write on the screen with something like an S Pen? Yes, you can. Now, if you have one of these simple, I think this is a capacitive touch type stylus, then you can use this just like you would on any Android device. And you can use it to write on the screen or navigate the screen. So for example, if I'm going here, if I want to make a quick note, I tap on notes, and I tap on new, and then to make a note, tap on the scribble, and now so you see, if you have one of these type of stylus, then you certainly can use it to write on the outer screen on your Galaxy Z Fold 3. So now, you can't do it, it's not as smooth as it would be if you had your stylus, but it's acceptable. I'm Bertrand Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So if you found value in this quick tip, help a tech brother out. Give me a like, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.